Hi everyone, how are you? I hope you're doing well. In this video, we are going to learn the JLPT M3 pattern ni Taishite and ni Taisuru. So without wasting our time, let us get into the video. Our pattern for this video is ni Taishite and ni Taisuru. So if you're using ni Taishite in your sentence, so there must be a noun before it, means noun and then ni Taishite. But if you're using ni Taisuru, so there must be a noun before it and as well as a noun after it, which means noun, ni Taisuru, noun. Got it? Now, what does this mean? What does ni Taishite and ni Taisuru mean? So ni Taishite, ni Taisuru mean is one is suitable towards the second one, which means your first word or your first thing is suitable towards the second thing. Okay. For example, like Indo Deva Saiken, Indo Deva Saiken, Josei ni Taisuru, Taisuru, Hanzai ga fuete iru. Indo Deva Saiken, Josei ni Taisuru, Hanzai ga fuete iru. Now, what does the sentence means that in India recently the crime is increasing towards women. So your first action or your first word crime that is towards who? Towards women. So which means this is increasing. So you are showing the relatability. Means women and increasing something. Now our second example is Watashi no haha wa imoto ni taishite shinsetsu desu. Watashi no haha wa imoto ni taishite shinsetsu desu. This means that my mother is kind towards my sister. My mother is kind towards my sister. Now you're showing that action 1 towards action 2 or something object 1 towards object 2. This is kind towards who? To my sister. So watashi no haha wa imoto ni taishite shinsetsu desu. So this was the pattern ni Taishite and ni Taisuru. I hope you understood it and liked it. Still, if you're having any doubts, please do not forget to leave in the comment down below. We'll try our best to give the replies. Stay safe. Bye.